Hello friends, this is Rita Lalan with tip number 24. There are two types of mind, monkey mind and moke mind. So today we are going to discuss about that. Moke mind works on the roots. Monkey mind is work on multiple branches, multitasking, disciplined, and anyhow the work or task should be completed. Always complain, procrastinate, and very lazy. It is also work for mission, vision, and goal. Short term and always controlled on anger and worries. And the last but not the least, moke mind is well planned and fulfill all your goals. Short term and always controlled on anger and worries. If you really want to become the version 0.2, you should follow the moke mind. Do subscribe my videos.